हेलो बच्चों, टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट स्लोगन ऑन एनवायरनमेंट डे. स्लोगन ऑन एनवायरनमेंट डे. 5 स्लोगन ऑन एनवायरनमेंट डे. फर्स्ट, सेव एनवायरनमेंट. सेव environment. Save environment. Save life. Save life. First, save environment, save life. First slogan is save environment, save life. Second, better environment, better environment, better environment, better tomorrow. Better tomorrow. Better tomorrow. Second slogan is better environment, better tomorrow. First slogan is save environment, save life. Second slogan is better environment, better tomorrow. Third is don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. It's time. It's time to start thinking greeny. Third slogan is don't be greedy. It's time to start thinking greeny. Fourth, recycle your waste. Recycle your waste. Recycle your waste. Make a change. Make a change before it gets too late. Recycle your waste. Make a change before gets too late. Before gets too late. Fifth slogan is Green India. Green India. Clean India. Fifth slogan is Green India, Clean India. First slogan is save environment, save life. Second, better environment, better tomorrow. Third, don't be greedy. It's time to start thinking greeny. Fourth, greeny, recycle your waste. Make a change before it gets too late. Fifth, clean India, green India. Thank you.